Welcome to Czech Your Day, the daily podcast with Renča, aka your guide through the jungle called Czech. We spend 5 minutes from Monday to Friday to get better at one topic in Czech. Ahoj, welcome! The season 2 is about to begin. I'm so excited. My name is Renča. And I can't believe that so many of you have already found my podcast so helpful. Thank you so much for the lovely feedback. And I really can't wait because, as you are used to, you can definitely find an article for each episode on my website as well as the handout. And this season is truly special because I have managed to work on a special project to give you extra support. So stay tuned. I will definitely talk about it pretty soon in the upcoming episodes. If you are new to this podcast, I always start a new topic each week. And my episodes are created in a way so that by the end of the week, you are able to understand a story or short dialogues in Czech related to the topic. So it's fantastic. You take baby steps day by day, and by the end of the week, you feel much more confident. And that's what I want for you. And as always, I will show you not only the textbook version, because that's not real life. I will definitely show you also the version that we speak, at home with our colleagues that we know very well, or with our friends, so that you don't feel confused or totally lost in everyday conversations, because these two kinds of Czech differ a lot. Sorry. So if you listen day by day, you will see that your Czech will definitely improve. I can see that with my students, their progress in our 15-minute lessons. It's magic. And now you can enjoy the magic as well. So this week is all about fruit. And since it's a topic that we have never discussed, this is the first time we will start with total baby steps. And this topic will definitely come again during this season so that we can enhance our Czech. And as always, I will share with you not only the slow version, the slow mode, but also the normal speed so that your ears may get used to us Czechs talking like, they do in normal life. That's what you truly need to practice and what causes so many troubles, okay? Jdeme na to, let's dive right in. What will today's episode look like? At first, I will tell you different kinds of fruit in Czech, and I will give you the English translation. And in the second part, I will always say a sentence with this structure. This is 1. Pomeranč, orange, pomeranč. Melon, melon, melon. Černý rybíz, black currant, černý rybíz. Mandarinka, tangerine, mandarinka. Meruňka, apricot, meruňka. jahoda, strawberry, jahoda. Hruška, pear, hruška. Borůvka, blueberry, borůvka. Švestka, plum, švestka. Ostružina, blackberry, ostružina. Granátové jablko, pomegranate. Granátové jablko, kiwi, kiwi, kiwi. Jablko, apple, jablko. Okay, I definitely have to step in because you will hardly ever hear a Czech person saying jablko in normal life conversations. We don't do that. We always say jabko, jabka. Okay? So be aware. In the second part, I will always say a sentence with this structure. This is one. And what I would like you to do is focus on the number one, because it will show you whether the fruit is masculine, feminine, or neutral. Can you see the pattern? Listen carefully. To je jeden pomeranč. To je jeden pomeranč. To je jeden meloun. To je jeden meloun. To je jeden černý rybíz. To je jeden černý rybíz. To je jedna mandarinka. To je jedna mandarinka. To je jedna meruňka. To je jedna meruňka. To je jedna jahoda. To je jedna jahoda. To je jedna hruška. To je jedna hruška. To je jedna borůvka. To je jedna borůvka. To je jedna švestka. To je jedna švestka. To je jedna ostružina. To je jedna ostružina. To je jedno granátové jablko. To je jedno granátové jablko. To je jedno granátový jabko. Informal. To je jedno kiwi. To je jedno kiwi. To je jedno jablko. To je jedno jablko. To je jedno jabko. Amazing. See, by listening to number one, you were able to divide the kinds of fruit into 3 categories. So, jeden was for masculine, jedna was for feminine, and jedno was for neutral. Really good job. I'm so happy that you have just learned something new. And just so you know, when I talk in my materials about masculine, feminine, and neutral, I usually use the Czech words ten, ta, to. Fantastic! See, now you are able to say different kinds of fruit in Czech. And not only that, now you know which of them are masculine, feminine, and neutral. Great job. You definitely deserve a pat on your shoulder, so do it now. And see you tomorrow. Ahoj!